You think your life is improving because it looks expensive. Better apartment, higher rent, nicer car, monthly payment, cleaner routine. From the outside, it screams success. But let's be honest, if your income paused for 60 days, how long would that image survive? Here's the truth you don't want to hear. Your lifestyle isn't proof of progress, it's proof of obligation. Every upgrade you celebrated added a bill. Every improvement added a dependency. Your rent isn't just where you live, it's leverage over you. Your car payment isn't convenience, it's pressure. Your subscriptions, your dining habits, your upgraded standard, they don't represent freedom, they represent maintenance. And maintenance requires consistency. Your life doesn't run on choice anymore. It runs on nothing can go wrong. That's not stability, that's exposure. The trap isn't dramatic, it's comfortable. And comfort is what makes it dangerous. Because the more you normalize a certain lifestyle, the less you're willing to risk losing it. So you stay in jobs you don't respect. You avoid moves that could expand you. You protect the image instead of protecting your flexibility. And the worst part? The better your life looks, the harder it becomes to admit it's fragile. If your monthly expenses are $7,000 and your emergency fund barely covers 1 month, you're not secure, you're balanced on a paycheck. If a single unexpected bill creates anxiety, that's not wealth. That's dependence wearing a luxury outfit. You tell yourself you're ahead because you earn more than before, but earning more while needing more is not growth, it's escalation. Real security means your life can absorb impact. Yours might shatter under interruption. So answer this without ego. If your income dropped by 30% tomorrow, would you feel calm or cornered? Because if your lifestyle collapses when the money slows down, it was never freedom. It was a well-designed cage. And cages feel comfortable until the door locks from the outside.